All right, this will be the elevator at Barnes & Noble, Pittsford Plaza, Pittsford, New York. This used to be an old department store. And we've got an old Otis elevator. It's got an Epco mod, but still really old elevator. You coming up?
Is this the bathroom?
No, I think it's over there.
Oh.
No, it's okay. You're good. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. Look at this elevator. And it's got a side door. I've never seen that orientation before. Look at this elevator. This is cool. Got an Epco Circle Line slap-on mod, but that's okay. Very slow. There's your lantern. Capacity's 4,000 pounds. Otis. Door close button does not work. Unfortunately, the side door is locked, but it's the old Otis floor tag there. Door took a minute to close. The lantern works. This is a very cool elevator.
Why does this look like a freight elevator?
I know, it does. It's massive. Alright, this is taking. Oh, there it goes.